What's happening, people? Today we're talking about TikTok and how to get more likes, more followers, more comments, how to grow, how to get famous, how to get featured, all that good stuff. We're just talking about exploding on TikTok. So the first thing you need to do is make an account. Just download it, it's free, and then you need to do an attractive name, do an attractive profile, do a profile video as well. I've noticed that people that have profile videos rather than just a profile picture, they do better in general. Do something funny, do something cute, find your niche. Like, it's important to throw everything at the wall, do like the shotgun approach, find out which content is getting you views, getting you likes, and then you need to double down on that content, but don't become one-dimensional. You need to experiment, you need to do memes, you need to keep trying different videos, throw stuff at the wall, see what actually sticks. What else you need to do? So, ideally, you'll be duetting with people, you'll be reacting with people, going through the For You and everything. If you get an idea straight away, the first thing that comes into your head, just pop it down, record a video. If you find something funny, comment that this was funny, ask a question. The first thing that pops into your head, just go for it. You need to put yourself out there in order for people to find you. Put funny comments out there. Don't just type in LOL. Ask a question or something that's just gonna get somebody interested in you. Do something that opens you up. Do something that's positive. Do dancing, do memes. There's so many things you can do. So do them. Don't just be this one-dimensional TikTok. Is that a term now? Are we using this TikToker term? Whatever. So what else can you do? You've also got the live streaming, which you should take seriously. If you go onto the live stream, someone who's got 10,000 followers, if you've got a bit of pocket money available to you, go onto the live stream, put some pandas on there, boom, you get free advertisements. You'll get 20, 30 20, 30 people coming on your profile, following you. Just keep experimenting with that. Test what times of the day to post. Test how often you should post. Test what duets do well. It's just a massive experimentation, TikTok, and you will find what works. I'm still finding what works for me. Some videos blow up, some videos flop. Videos I think are going to do well will do my worst. Videos that I've just spent 5 seconds just doing a reaction to, they do the best. So it's just try things, man. That's the only really way to grow on here. Be genuine, give value. Don't try any scams buy 1,000 likes, buy 1,000 fans. You're just going to lose your money. Even if it does work, TikTok are going to recognize that your account's a bit dodgy because 1,000 likes just appeared on it. So it's just not worth scamming. It's just going to bite you in the ass in the end. There's a famous saying where pigs eat well, but hogs go to the slaughter. Don't try and take advantage of these stupid services that try and boost your fans and stuff. What else can you do? So messaging and networking and duetting with people, reacting with people, making a collaborative group that can comment on your videos, that can engage with that you chat with, that you do duets with. They'll keep you up to date on the most memey trends. If they've noticed something, you've probably noticed something, so then you can both do something together then and just add your own twist, add your own flavour. What else can you do? When you are making videos, there are all these different options, but then make sure your lighting's good. I'm in the UK, I'm in Manchester, and the weather is crap all the time, basically. Summer, we got a decent summer, but it's just cloudy most of the time now. So I can still get decent lighting. It is going dark now, so you can do it. Posting at the right time of the day. Don't post at 3 in the morning. Who's going to be on then? Comment on your videos as well. Give people a funny story that happened. If there was a blooper, publish the blooper. Bloopers are sometimes funnier than the actual video. Use pets and animals to your advantage. There's so many things that you can do on this platform, and I'm probably repeating myself now, but I'm going to remember things later that I'm fuck, why didn't you say that? So check out my channel for more TikTok content, how to become a live streamer on the TikTok platform, how to get featured and all that stuff. So if you do want to get featured, it's original content, it's most likely a meme / trending hashtag or something that everyone will understand. Ideally, there isn't much talking involved, so then you've got like the international views coming in. So if it's just like a funny skit but nobody's talking, but anybody can read, anybody can understand dancing, anybody can understand like a meme, but if there's like heavy talking involved, you're limited to like the English viewers. And when you are recording, do obnoxious facial expressions, wave your arms about, like do funny accents, poses, and quick flash transitions and effects and filters. Like throw everything out there, man, and remember who your audience is. Like at the very oldest, you're gonna get like, there's not that many old people on here. Most of them are young people, especially like young teen, like young adult Twitch audience. Like it's that audience. Like it's the Twitch chat that you're like. It's like a positive Twitch chat. Is how I'd compare TikTok. So make content that fits your audience. Wiggle your arms about, pull funny faces. There's a million one things I've missed. That should be a information overload for now. Comment down below, how are you growing? What are you doing differently to everyone else? Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace!